Series B bond, taking total investment in the form of $85 million. He also claimed that he has made 100,000
What's up, folks?
commercial deliveries.
Got something cool to show you. This is Chinese Radio International. It is a Chinese radio station that broadcasts towards North America via shortwave. That also has an English language version that they play.
About 4 to 5 miles per hour.
As you can tell, the announcer has a Chinese voice. So, essentially, this is a news and music shortwave radio station that's headquartered in Beijing, China, that has repeaters that send the signal towards North America. So, here I am listening to a Chinese radio station from the States. This is awesome. What else can I say?
Hey, so if any of you out there know any of any other good shortwave stations that broadcast towards the U.S., let me know in the comments, please. Thanks. The times that this station seems to broadcast in the U.S. are 7 p.m. at night and 5 a.m. in the morning, with all of the different frequencies in the description that I've observed. Thank you.